Creating an online course is just the first step. If you want to make sales on autopilot, you need a system to turn your course into passive income. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your course sales so you can earn money while focusing on other parts of your business or life. Step 1, make your course evergreen. To create passive income, your course needs to be available for purchase anytime. Use a platform like Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific to host your course. Set up an automated checkout page so students can enroll anytime. Remove any live components unless they are pre-recorded or optional. An evergreen course sells 24/7 without requiring you to launch multiple times. Step 2, build an automated sales funnel. A sales funnel guides potential students from discovery to purchase without you manually selling. The key components of a funnel. First, the lead magnet, a freebie that attracts potential buyers, e.g., checklist, free training, quiz. Then the email sequence, automated emails that nurture subscribers and introduce your course. Third, the sales page, a conversion-focused page explaining the benefits of your course. And then checkout page, a simple, no-friction way for people to buy instantly. Your funnel works in the background to bring in new students every day. Step 3, drive traffic to your funnel on autopilot. More traffic, more potential sales. Here's how to keep new leads flowing without ads. SEO and blogging, create content on your topic and link to your course. YouTube videos, rank for search terms and promote your lead magnet. Pinterest and Instagram, share valuable content that links back to your funnel. Affiliate marketing, let others promote your course for a commission. When consistent traffic flows into your funnel, your course sells without you constantly promoting it. Step 4, add passive upsells and bonuses. Increase your revenue without extra effort by offering a mini course or bonus training as an upsell, adding a payment plan to make your course more accessible, including an exclusive VIP version for those who want extra support. This boosts your earnings per student and maximizes passive revenue. Step 5, automate student support and engagement. A passive course shouldn't require constant management. Create an FAQ page to answer common questions. Set up automated email check-ins to keep students engaged. Use a private community for discussions instead of live support. This keeps your students happy without you needing to be available 24/7. Turn your course into passive income today. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your biggest challenge with passive income? And if you need help structuring your course, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to automate your course sales, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to build your funnel and start selling on autopilot. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go turn your course into passive income that works for you.